the very rare rice pulling coin. This is the iridium material. Actually, this is the very costly item. This is non-magnetic. This is the pure iridium material. This is the normal magnet from speaker. You can collect any magnets from a speaker or somewhere. Look, this is the magnet. This coin also not attracted with the magnet. This is the iridium. In this video, I will show you the magical power of rice pulling coin. This is normal glass. There is no holes. The glass placed on the magnets. Without the magnets, these experiments will not work. We have to use the magnet. This is the ujala. We are using for this for clothes for a home purpose only. This ujala we are using for this experiment. This is the pure water. Pure water means drinking water. You have to choose drinking water. This is the pure water. Don't use any dirty waters. You have to use bottled water or treated water with chlorine treated water. Look, this is not a chemical. This is not a white petrol or some other chemical. This is a pure water. I put 2 or 3 drops to the water. Yes, this is a ujala. This is also not any chemical. This is the ujala only. Once again I will show you. This is the pure water only. This is the coin. Carefully watch. This is a rare coin. I will put this coin into the glass. Once again I will show you. This is not a white petrol. Just this coin put into the ujala water. Just see the magical power of the rice pulling coin. This is a 100% real magic, real live magic. This is not a fake or something. This is a live magic. We have to wait a couple of minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Depends upon the magical power of the rice pulling coin. On coming videos, I will show you the rice pulling this coin towards the coin. That is very expensive experiment. Yes, this is this experiment. This reaction will not work suddenly. We have to wait minimum 5 minutes. Carefully watch. This is not an edited video. Somebody saying edited or something like videos. This is not an edited video. This is a pure magical power of rice pulling coin. If you are believe in gods, then strongly believe it. Otherwise, you just leave the god. If God is its own way, you can go your own way. Don't test your gods. God is everywhere. Your God is everywhere. Don't test the God. Only trust the God. The same way, you have to trust something. Don't trust. Don't test something. Okay, you can see right how the reaction will work. I think now around 70% color changed. Anyway, we have to wait for the 100% result. I think we have to wait 2 3 more minutes. Just look how the water color turned to white or a normal water. This is the power of rice pulling coin. What I am using in this experiment. Look, approximate the color getting normal water. I think this is the final. We can't get like normal water. Light bluish there. Anyway, we have to wait some time. Yes, I think this is the maximum level. Anyway, we can wait one few minutes. I think we already 5 minutes are we are waited. Anyway, we 1 or 2 minutes we will wait. We can see the maximum result. This is actually work with rice pulling coin positive energy. It will attract all negative energy from the surrounding. Yes, now almost we got the result. I think water getting almost clear or no, like a normal water. Anyway, we have to wait for the best result. Yes, yeah. This is the final. Light bluish is there. Once again, I will show you. This is not a chemical. This is the pure magical power of our rice pudding coin. Yes, this is the coin. Just look the water. Yes, the coin do not having any changes. Yes, just I wipe it. Just look the coin. No color changes, but the color getting back to the normal, like a normal water. Yeah. Once again, I will show you. This is not a chemical. This is the real magical power of rice pulling oil.